Yes, yes, y'all. You see it. Yo, what's up, everybody? Yep, we're back in the garage, and we're almost done with this vortech V2 install. And I'm going to show you where we're at. So let's get right to it. So we got all the bracketry on. Belts are on. So wasn't too bad of an install. We had to move the tensioner down. You could see these Allen wrench bolts. They were up top, and that's how you tighten the tensioner for the blower. You loosen that bolt up on the pulley first, and then it tighten or loosen that bolt. We got the oil feed line hooked up down there with all the fittings. But as you can see, we got a little bit left. I just wanted to show you a good view of the bracketry that we put together and was with this kit. We got the intake basically on. We still got to hook up some hoses for the bypass valve. And we got about just about everything we need for it, except one coupler. We need to go grab a coupler because we got the mass airflow in with the adapter, but we have no coupler for it. So we'll have to go grab that because we don't have any here that will fit. It's a 4-inch coupler. So as you can see, this is the SCT mass airflow. And then we can get up under here real quick. And show you, we got the oil drain. The oil drain. We got it. The oil pan punched. Now that was a real pain. Punching the oil pan. You can see the little J-hook bracket that we needed, and this is where the alternator sits now. So we still got to tighten up those fittings, but the line and everything is on. We drained the oil. We're gonna put new oil in it. So the one thing, the way you kind of see the fittings for the oil drain, well, when we first tried to put it together, we were had the smog pump on there, which is right here now. Box full of all the old parts. So it wouldn't fit with the factory smog pump, so we had to order a smog pump, delete pulley, and bracket. We had the bracket, but we didn't have the pulley, and I don't think they just sell the pulley, so we had to order another one. We had to make this hole a little bit bigger for the pipe. And you can kind of see back there the bypass valve. It's a tight fit with this strut bar. And this pipe, this bigger pipe right here for the intake. I did the best I could to make it look decent and get it on there. But you can see the bypass valve down there. It gets hooked up to the intake, a little plastic fitting that was in there already. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. This is a pretty good pick of the bracketry. Well, as you can see, so it was a little confusing at first, but wasn't too bad. You know, the bigger spacers go here, because you can see a little indent. It indents there, so it gets the bigger spacers, and then the small ones go here, and then they only go in certain spots. But like I said, we got a little bit left. Intake, the radiator hose on, the fan shroud back on with the fan. Still running the stock clutch style fan. Like I said, this ain't gonna be no crazy build, just a basic 5.0 with a supercharger added to it. Give it a little boost. So hopefully next video I'll be able to have it up and running. Oh, and then you can also see we added the 42-pound injectors up in there. Took the intake off, so we got the injectors on. Spark plugs are in. For the most part, all the hard stuff is done. Just gotta button up a few little things, and it's looking pretty good to me. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and hopefully on that next video we have it running. So until then, peace.